Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to zoom strobe effect tutorial on CapCut PC. Okay, it's super simple. Just tap on your photo you want to edit. Just copy paste and then select the second clip and you can just for the scale. So like so. And then just select the clip and copy paste. Move down. Copy paste again. Okay. And just go into transition and select grid, so you can select strobe transition. Just put between the clip and adjust for the duration for 0.3 second and then apply to all. So here we go. And you can add the other effect here. So that's how to zoom strobe effect on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.